So New Mobile has been a sleeper company that delivers great phones for less of the price. I have enjoyed reviewing their phones in the past, and I've seen the growth of the company. Well, you know what? New Mobile is not stopping there. Introducing their latest phones for 2023, the New Mobile A15 and the New Mobile A25. Both of these devices deliver great features at a great price. But in this video, I'm going to be talking about the New Mobile A15. So let's have some fun. Sit back, relax, and get your popcorn ready and follow me on this journey. Let's go. What's up, guys? This is Eric back with another video. So check this out. The A15 from New Mobile has a huge 6.5-inch 90 Hz display. We have dual SIM support with SD card support up to 1 terabyte. You have 128 gigs of storage to boot, a 50 megapixel camera, a main camera here on this device. You have a headphone jack, a charger, and a case in the box, which is extraordinary. You have a fingerprint scanner and Face ID with stock Android 13 to boot, plus much more. And that all comes in a mind-blowing price of $110. That's right, $110. So you know what? This review is over. Now let's go to talk some more about the New Mobile A15. So the design of the A15 is really good. A very nice sleek look. Listen, I have the purple one, which is very smooth, but there are other colors which I will leave all product links down in the description below. So looking at the device, on the right side, you have the volume up and down button, also the power button that does as a fingerprint scanner. On the left side, you have your SIM/SD card tray. At the top of the device, it's clean. And at the bottom of the device, you have a headphone jack, a mono speaker, a mic, and a USB-C charging port. Now on the back, there's a 50 megapixel camera and a VGA bulk camera, which is pretty nice, right? I'm going to show you some footage here in this video. And in the front, there's a 5 megapixel camera. Now, as far as video, the A15 can shoot up to 1080p, 30 frames per second. So let's talk about the performance here on this device. And all I have to say is that this device being $100, this phone was very good. Now it's running a MediaTek processor with 4 gigs of RAM. So day-to-day task is very good, especially with the 90 Hz display that brings in a nice level of smoothness, which is really good. But playing games was a decent experience overall. Watching movies and videos is a very good experience overall. But you know what? At this price point, I believe that the performance here is okay. So let's talk about these cameras. 50 megapixel main camera with no OIS and a 5 megapixel front camera. So let me go and show you guys some footage here with this device. So check this out.
The Chosen.
All right, guys, so here it is. This is the New Mobile A15, the new kid on the block for 2023. And this right here, I'm shooting this at full HD, 30 frames per second. So let's go over and let's take a look at this camera system. For the budget realm, I think it's doing a very good job, right? New Mobile have always delivered on a very good device at very good prices. I've been overall impressed at how New Mobile rock when it comes down to their devices. Now, at the price point, which I will have in the description down below, this one here is going to be your more budget option. It doesn't have all the crazy features, but it does have pro mode. It does have full HD at 30 frames per second. It does have portrait mode. So it does have a few things up its sleeve to give you the best that it can offer at the price point. So here it is. I just want to showcase off the cameras of the A15 by New Mobile. All right, guys, so here it is. This is going to be the New Mobile A15 front-facing camera. Looking at the viewfinder, don't look so bad. Look pretty decent there, right? For a front-facing camera. You guys let me know how the audio sound down in the comments below. Now, we don't have optical image stabilization on this one. We don't have a lot of things on this one, but it does come with the power brick, screen protector, and everything else in between. The case, everything. I mean, look, it comes complete package here for this device, but y'all know how I do it. I made sure I test them, showcase it. And you know what? I like the design of this device, right? I really do like the design of this phone. So overall, I think it's a pretty decent device for the price. Again, I will leave all pricing information down in the comments, down in the description below. But this is the New Mobile A15, baby. So I've only been using the New Mobile A15 for a few days now. This is not a full review. This is more of a product showcase. So my overall experience with the New Mobile A15 is that this device is great at this price point. Look, it has a very good design, 90 hertz display, and all the bells and whistles included in the box, such as a case and a charger. Now, the performance here is okay at this price point, and the cameras at this price point is okay. For the full review, make sure you subscribe and turn on your notification bell. Look, as far as the design here, it's an all plastic design, but that's what you get here for this price point. Also, this is a 4G device that works on GSM. For more coverage, make sure you subscribe to this YouTube channel. I will leave all product links down in the description below. This is Eric the Tech Preacher. Leave your comments down below. Let me know what you think about the New Mobile A15 in all its glory. See you guys on the next video. Peace.